Let me show you what the Subdivision Surface modifier does and highlight some useful details you can take advantage of while using it. This modifier helps give your objects a smoother appearance. For example, it could be a piece of clothing, a flag, or even a custom character you're designing. All of these require a higher polygon count to look more detailed and realistic. It's also one of the most commonly used and essential modifiers in Blender. As an example, let's turn this monkey in front of us into a more realistic looking model. To do that, I go to the Modifier panel and add the Subdivision Surface modifier. As you can see, once I apply it, the shape changes slightly. If I increase it a bit more, I'll get an even smoother look. The viewport value controls how smooth it looks while working in the 3D view, and the render value sets the smoothness during the final render. Keep in mind, the render level doesn't affect what you see in the viewport. I can show this by taking a render. First, I'll add a camera to the scene. Since the object might appear too dark during rendering, I'll also add a light source. Now, when I press F12, we can observe that the object's smoothness level in the render is set to 1. Let's try setting the render level to 4.4 instead. As you can see, this gives us a much smoother and cleaner result. For example, if we use a cube, we can observe that the higher the subdivision level we apply, the more rounded the cube becomes. This clearly shows how the modifier gradually smooths out the shape based on the level you set. You can also use the Subdivision Surface modifier in your own projects to create more impressive and polished visuals. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.